Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's a lovely summer evening. Today, just going to be showing you how to prune my dahlias. This is a dinner plate dahlia called Cafe au lait. I don't know if you can see this here. Just get set down. Yeah, dinner plate dahlia, as you can see here. Surrounded by some petunias and marigolds. What I need to do with this is prune some of the side shoots off, so they're more light around the edge. Some of these are quite big stems, so I should have probably done this a few weeks ago, but it's never too late. So I shall get in here, just prune away. Look at that nice big dahlia stem there. So just carry on going around here like so. Just want to leave the centre stems in here. If I can just leave the centre stems in, that'll be fine. That'll come out this way. Just cut some of these big leaves off as well, and then make as much light get through as possible, like so. See here, that'll just let some light in, which is nice. Just get in here. You want to just get above a leaf node. So these will grow back. See here, look how much that's opened it up. It makes a massive difference. So I'm just going to get hold of this here, just spin it round. So this side down there, and then cut some of these leaves off. This is just letting some light get to everything. I'm losing a lot of flowers, I know I am, but I'll gain these back with the marigolds, and the petunias will do a lot better. So it swings and roundabouts with it. This one. And there. Oh, it looks like a massacre really. I'm just leaving the ones that are in the centre here. So that one, this one here, better. Wow, look at the difference. So yeah, you can see here that has opened it right up. I've left the ones in the middle. These marigolds, see here with the dead leaves, this will allow all this extra light to get in here, allow the sweet peas to thicken up nicely, and it will allow these centre ones to flower then. So some petunias around here that need cutting back, so just single stems. So with these, same thing again, just send them back to a leaf node. Down here, they will thicken up nicely. These marigolds, just see the ones that are like so, deadhead them, go around like that. As you can see here, I will get all these extra sunlight now on my flowers. So I'll just show the material that I've cut back off. That's all the material, so quite a lot. There's some down here as well. And I'm going to have lost some big flowers, but it's plenty of time for these to come round. Just have a look back here. You can now see all the marigolds around the edge. Got these petunias that need pruning back. Keep snipping theirs off, like so. And these ones in the middle will grow up the centre, and I can tie them into the sweet pea support. So that's it. Just how to look after your dahlias in pots. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. By the way, I'm using a peat-based compost, and I'm using Tomorite to carry on feeding them. Feed them twice a week at the moment, because they really do need it. You're a hungry little feeders. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.